In this session of working with the CSU Extension eStore, we're going to be talking about categories. Where we last left off, we were in the test server and we were in the administration dashboard. I'm going to go to the upper right-hand corner to Public Store to get a facsimile of what the public sees. And I'm simply going here to let you know, as I hover over counties, we have Wapello County test. So what we're going to do in this session is delete this Wapello County test. We're going to then add it back onto the test server, and we're going to add a subcategory involving workshops. So we're again at the facsimile of the public-facing part of the site. I'm going to go back to administration to get to the dashboard, and here we are. So the first thing we're going to do is delete that existing category. We're going to go to Catalog, which is where categories live. Here's categories, so we'll click that. Now there are pages and pages of categories here, so we'll do a quick name. Remember, our fictional county is Wapello, so we'll type in Wapello and click search. Here is Wapello County test. We'll click edit, and then we will click delete. And we're sure we want to delete it. So our next job is to create a new one. So again, we're in Manage Categories and Catalog Categories here in the left side navigation. We're going to go to Add New. We're going to call this Wapello County Test. And then here under Description, we'll put in a short description for our fictional county category. And here's a short description, Wapello County Products and Services. Under Picture, this is where the logo goes for your county and specific programs. Since Wapello County is a fictional county, I do not have a logo that applies, so I'm going to use a general CSU extension logo. Obviously use the one that applies to your own county. Under Parent Category, this is really important. It needs to be set to counties. So use this pull down and you'll see these are not in complete alphabetical order, so you're going to have to scroll down to find it. And you will see counties with a lot of specific counties and subcategories here. And above those, you'll see simply the word counties. That really needs to be set as your parent category. We can skip the rest of this other stuff for now. The other thing that's really important is limited to stores. When we click in here, it's important to put in extension. So we'll scroll down to extension, and that's it. So again, we've given ourselves a name, a description. We've uploaded a file to use as our logo. Our parent category, important, is set at counties, and limited to stores is set to extension. So with all that done, we'll save it. And now that it's saved, we're going to add a subcategory for workshops, because the product we're going to build in the CSU eStore test server today is a workshop. So we're back in categories. I'm going to choose Add New, and under Name, I'm going to put Wapello County Tech Workshop. So our name is Wapello County Tech Workshop Test, and then our short description is a tech workshop for Wapello County Extension. We don't have a picture or a logo for this. Our parent category this time will not be counties, but rather Counties Wapello County, the one we just created, which is right here. So that becomes our parent category. So we created a subcategory under Wapello County. And then again, we want to limit this to stores as we did last time. So we'll click inside this box and scroll down until we get to extension. We've now created a subcategory for Wapello County entitled Wapello County Tech Workshop. So we'll click Save, and that's how to build a category and a subcategory. If we want to look at them, we can go to category name here, Wapello, and do a search. And we see both the main subcategory, Wapello County Test, and then the subcategory under that, which is Wapello County Tech Workshop. If we go to the public store now, and again, we're in the test URL, the test server, so this isn't really showing to the public, and we hover over counties, we now see the Wapello County test